The Republic of Mali is a former French colony located in West Africa, bordering on Algeria, Niger, Burkina Faso, Côte d'Ivoire, Guinea, Senegal, and Mauritania. Mali is nearly twice the size of Texas and is the largest country in West Africa. Mali is also one of the poorest countries in the world. 65% of Mali's land is desert or semi-desert. This land is too dry to grow crops, although some is used for grazing animals. But crops can grow in the south of the country, near the Niger and Senegal rivers. The Niger River floods every year and leaves behind a rich soil good for growing crops. Farmers here grow rice, wheat, corn, and a pale shiny grain called millet. This fertile region is why some people call Mali the grain basket of West Africa. More than 80% of Mali's workers are subsistence farmers. This means they only grow crops to feed themselves. But when there's good rainfall, many farmers also grow cotton, peanuts, and other crops they can sell. Mali gained independence from France in 1960. The people installed a socialist system where the government controlled the production and distribution of the country's goods. But socialism slowed down Mali's economy and often led to corruption. In 1992, Mali held its first democratic presidential election. The new government made political and economic reforms to help the economy grow again. One of these changes was to let farmers sell their crops at higher prices. Since they can now earn more, the farmers have an incentive to grow more and improve the efficiency of their farms. Many farmers are using the extra money they now earn to help their villages. They have built new schools and hired new teachers, built infirmaries to help the sick, and formed community banks to lend money to other villagers. The farmers are using today's profits to help improve their villages for years to come. But Mali still faces other challenges. There have been repeated droughts in West Africa that have made crops fail and caused mass migrations of people. When this happens, Malians are forced to focus on what they will eat today, rather than what they can plant to sell tomorrow. But by investing in things like schools, banks, and other village improvements when times are good, the people of Mali are ensuring a better tomorrow for themselves. How can investing in schools and hospitals benefit a country in the long run? How can droughts affect a community?